Man, bump it, man. We just gonna try it, but I scared though. Y'all pray for me.
Cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding on the beat.
Alright, y'all. We back making our fittings, so well, the fittings for the hose. Alright. So as you can see, I already peeled back. Hey, this is my first time doing it. So y'all make sure if this y'all first time doing it, man, be careful, man, cause and y'all see wires in this damn hose. I ain't even thought about it until I got stabbed with it. But yeah, I peel it back, push this little I think 87 call it a ferro on. Boom. Alright. And 87 also, show y'all something, 87 also is being recommended. Alright. But then as y'all know, y'all wanted to, you know what I mean, grease it up a little bit. Just so it slide on in. Alright. So we push the little fitting on. So what 87 recommended. That's the only grease I got. Oh, let me see. PB Black. Anything. You know what I mean? Put a little bit of grease on the fitting. That way, if you gotta take it on and off, you know what I mean? Because of the type of material it is, it'll be easier. You know what I mean? It wouldn't really tear the threads like that. But yeah, you just slide them up, put them back on, boom, 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 tighten them down. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna tighten this up, cut y'all back on. Alright? Yes, sir. Here we go. Got him. All we gotta do is hook this side right here to the tank, and then do the other side after we get our measurement. Alright? So let's get to it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells. We out here. Alright, y'all, time to get back to work. About to try to see which way we gonna run this fuel line. So we gonna pick a side. Alright? We gonna go any, many, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by a toe. If he holler, let him go. Any, many, miny, mo. I guess passenger side it is. Back on the original G-body side. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, man. Shit, boy. I almost forget to cut y'all on, boy. I've been out here grinding, working. Y'all see I done cut the old tailpipe out here. You know what I mean? Big creeper. Ready to slide the gas tank back in there. Y'all see it? Hey, go time. Let me get up under there and show y'all too. Y'all see I run the line on the driver's side, man. I swap it out. Any, many, miny, more, and win again. You know what I mean? I had to change them up. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, we about to slide this gas tank in here. Make sure we ain't got no leaks. Try him out. They get it. Alright. So y'all can see I got my AM fitting on my feed. Like I say, I left the return to scene. You know what I mean? I got it coming, wrapping around the brake booster, back up under the car to the back. Y'all get it, man. Shoot, boy, I'm so tired I can't even talk. Tell y'all I almost forget to cut y'all on, boy. I'm out here working, boy, trying to get them done. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. We got something rigged up here, man, so we can try him out, man, for testing purposes. You know what I mean? Got my ground up there on the ground, man, you know what I mean? Let's see what it do. Hopefully we don't have no leaks, bro. But yeah, y'all see my vent? Yeah, y'all ain't know nothing about that right there. The vent gonna go right here. Yeah, let's get it. I don't know how much power I got. Let's see. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm nervous. I'm nervous now. I don't even know if I heard that pump or not. I don't know. Hold up, let me see something. Alright, y'all. I realized my dang ground been off. Hopefully that was it. But let's see. Well, let me see something. I think I heard gas. Dang. My bad, y'all. I know. See, man, this quiet fuel pump confusing me, boy. I don't even know if that joke even working. Shoot. Let me see. Man, bumping, man. We just gonna try it, but I scared, though. Y'all pray for me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Boy, 84 Cuddy out here, boy. That's my first time now. This my first time, yes sir. Let's get it. Yes sir. Y'all see them miles on here. Started off with 207 when I first swap them out. You do the math. Be out here, out here. Next fix? Yes sir. That light about to be off, buddy. Let's get it. Hey, man, y'all see it, bro. Got Sparrow crank right up, bro. That joke in here with no time and no leaks and nothing. All we gotta do is put that tank back in the air, man, and we good to go. Yes sir. Hey man, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells, and make sure y'all go check out that ride, y'all, because we just want to ride, y'all. For real, for real. Hey man, stay locked to the next one, man. Hey, this your boy 84 Cuddy. Y'all already know who it is. Hey, we out here.
Yes sir, JP made this one. Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy 84. Back one more game. Hey, how many y'all out there got the old school and all you wanna do is just ride? It don't matter where you ride, you just wanna ride. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hey, maybe just the weekend, but all you wanna do is just ride. Hey, well if you feel me, put your hands in the air and wave from side